Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shubhra Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 6, the junk seller, and today's topic is money. Okay students? Dear students, please open page number 42. Page number 42. Now let's start question number 9. Question number 9 is, look at here carefully. In this question you are given that convert into rupees. Convert into rupees. Okay students? And here given that 6 part of question number 9. Look at here carefully. A, B, C, D, E and last F. Okay, in question number 9 of A is 130 paise is equal to rupees dash dash dash. 650 paise is equal to rupees dash dash dash. 580 paise is equal to rupees dash dash dash. 1080 paise is equal to rupees dash dash dash. 8360 paise is equal to how many rupees? And 9000 paise is equal to how many rupees? Okay students? Okay students? We know that if we have to convert paise into rupees, then we have to take the division of given number by 100, because 1 rupees is equal to, students please keep in mind, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Okay, in short form we can write rupees 1 is equal to 100 P. P means paise. Okay, look at here carefully. Listen, we know that if we have to take the division of 130 by 30, then we get, look at here carefully, here given that 20, therefore here we get 20, therefore we can take the decimal point attached before 2-digit place. Okay, from unit place. Okay students, here we have to take the decimal point before 2-digit place. Okay, look at here carefully. Therefore 130 paise is equal to rupees 1.30. 1.30. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Okay students, look how we can get this. Look at here carefully. If we have to take the division of 130 by 1000, then we get this result. Understand? Okay students? Similarly, we can solve all given questions. Look here given that 650 paise is equal to how many rupees? There. Okay students, look here given that 650 paise, therefore we can take the division of 650 by 100. Look here given that 20, therefore we have to take the decimal point attached before 2 digit place. ओके ओके डिस्टेंस, ध्यान से देखिए यहाँ पे जैसे हमको 20 मिलेगा, ओके, तो हम यूनिट प्लेस से काउंट करेंगे 1 2 डिजिट के पहले यहाँ पे हम डेसिमल पॉइंट लगा देंगे. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? ओके डिस्टेंस, इफ एनी स्टूडेंट हैव डाउट in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Similarly, we can solve all given questions. Then the answer is 6.50 rupees. Okay, it means that 650 paise is equal to rupees 6.50. Similarly, we can solve all questions. Look at here carefully. Here given that 580 paise. Then the answer is yes, 5.80. Okay, similarly in this question here given that 1080 paise, if we have to convert 1080 paise into rupees, then we have to take the division of 1080 by 100. Okay distance, here given that 20, therefore we have to take the decimal point attached before 2 digit place. Okay, decimal point attached here. Okay distance, then the answer is 10.80. Similarly in this question here given that 8360 paise, therefore 8360 paise is equal to 83 rupees 60 paise. Okay, it means that 83.60 paise. Similarly 9000 rupees is equal to here we have to take the decimal point attached before 2 digit place. Okay, therefore 9000 is equal to rupees 90. Okay, similarly do it yourself of question number 9. Okay, similarly do it yourself question number 9. Understand? Now read this. Okay distance, please write given classwork in your maths fair copy and book both. Okay, okay distance, now let's start question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10 is convert into paise. Question number 10. Convert into paise. In this question have 6 parts. Look at here carefully. A, B, C, D, E and last F. Here given that rupees 6.06 is equal to how many paise? Rupees 18.00 is equal to how many paise? Rupees 88.45 is equal to how many paise? Rupees 450.25 is equal to how many paise? Rupees 186.50 is equal to how many paise? Okay, and in last rupees 275.75 is equal to dash paise. Okay, distance, look at here carefully. Here given that rupees here we have to convert rupees into paise. Okay students, if we have to convert rupees into paise, then we have to take the multiplication of this and 100. Okay, it means that if we have to convert rupees into paise, then we have to take the multiplication by 100 in given number. Okay, after solving these we get the answer of this question. Okay students, similarly we can solve all given questions. Look, here given that 6.06 rupees, 6.06. okay, if we have to convert rupees into paise, then we have to take the multiplication of 6.06 by 100. okay, okay students, look at here carefully. 0 6 is 0, 0, 0 6 is 0, 0 6 is 0, 0, 0, 1 6 is 6, 1 0 is 0, and 1 6 is 6. Okay, after adding this, here we get 0, 0, 6, 0, 6. This ones, in multiply process, we have to take the decimal point attached before 1 and 2. It means that 2 digit place, therefore here 1 digit and this is 2 digit, therefore here we have to take the decimal point. Okay, it means that after multiplying these we get 606. Look at here carefully, here we get 606. It means that here we move this decimal point after 2 digit. Okay, okay students, after 2 digit on right hand side, here we move this decimal point after 2 digit. Understand? Therefore we get 606. Understand? Therefore if we have to remove this decimal point after, here we have to move this decimal point after 2 digit place. Okay, then we get 606. 606. Therefore the answer is 606 paise. Okay, and here in this question similarly, if we have to take the multiplication of 18.00 by 100, then we get 1800. 1800. It means that this decimal point move after 2 digit place. Okay, or in other hand we have to say that this decimal point remove from here. Okay, look, here we have to remove this decimal point. Clear? Similarly, in this question, here given that 88.45, therefore if we have to remove this decimal point from this number, then we get 88.45. It means that rupees 88.45 is equal to 8,845 paise. Okay, similarly we can solve all given questions. Look at here carefully. Here given that 450.25, therefore we can write 45025. 45025. It means that 45,025 paise. Similarly, 186.50 is equal to 18650 paise. It means that 18,000, look, 18,650 paise. Understand? Rupees 186.50 is equal to 18,650 पैसे. Okay students, similarly do it yourself in maths homework. Okay, in this question here we remove this decimal point from here, then we get the answer of this question. Understand? Okay, now read this. Okay students, now let's start question number 10. Dear students, please write given class work in your maths fair copy. Question number 11. Now let's start question number 11. Put is less, is greater or equal in the box to compare money. In the box to compare money. Okay students, in this question have 8 part. Look at here carefully. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and last H. Look, rupees 272 box rupees 702. Students, look at here carefully. In this, which is greater? Students, firstly we have to check this place of number. Okay, firstly we have to check 100 place of number, which is greater. Yes, we know that 2 is less than 7, 2 is less than 7, therefore 272 rupees is less than rupees 702. Understand? Similarly, we can solve all given questions. Look, question number B, rupees 890 box rupees 890. Distance, look at here carefully. Here given that 890 and here also given that 890. Therefore, here we can take equal mark. Okay. In question number C, look, here given that 501 box 510 rupees 510. Distance, look, in this question here given that 5 and here given that 5 are same. Here given that 0 and here given that 1. We know that 0 is less than 1, therefore 501 is less than 510. Okay, understand? Okay students, similarly we can solve all given questions. Look at here carefully. In this question number D, here given that 666 box rupees 609. Distance, look, here given that 6 and here also given that 6 are same. Okay, and next here given that 6 and here given that 0. We know that 6 is greater than 0. Okay, therefore rupees 666 is greater than rupees 609. Understand? Okay, students, similarly question number E is rupees 120.75 box rupees 102.50, rupees 555, box rupees 519.90, rupees 999.50, box rupees 1000, rupees 470, box rupees 467.50. Okay. Okay, students, look at here carefully. In this question, here given that rupees 120.75, box rupees 102. Dear students, we know that 120 is greater than 102. Therefore, rupees 120.75 is greater than rupees 102.50. Okay. Similarly, we can solve all given questions. Look, in this question here given that 555, rupees 519. We know that 555 is greater than 519. Therefore, here we can take greater marks. Okay. Here given that 999 and here given that 1000. We know that 1000 is greater than 999.50. Therefore, we can take less mark. Here given that 4 and here 4 are same. Look, here given that 7 and here given that 6. We know that 7 is greater than 6. 7 is greater than 6. Therefore, here we can take rupees 470 is greater than rupees 467.50. Understand? Okay, students, please write given questions in your maths book. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, now read this. Okay, dear students. Question number 3 and question number 4. Chapter 6, question number 3 and question number 4. Do it yourself. Do it yourself in maths homework. Okay. Okay, students. After completed the given classwork and homework, please send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. Thank you.